Welcome to Go RVing's newest video series. We're going to take you on an epic journey to some of our most favorite campgrounds across this beautiful country of ours. We're going to share with you educational videos, tips, tricks, and hacks, all designed to give you the best RV experience you can possibly have. I'm Mike Caudill, and this is Geared Up to Go RVing. All right, this is the Geared Up to Go RVing bonus round, and it is going to be titled Electrical. And I'm only going to give you 3 different things in here because, to be honest, if you're doing anything electrical with your RV, we highly recommend having your local RV dealer do this work. But if you happen to be a little bit more on the handy side, here are 3 things that we want to give you. One of them is the most easiest and something that you can do under RV basics, and one of them is going to be more advanced. Tip number 1. We all blow fuses on our RVs. We've done it before. So in this, you're going to get a variety of different fuses, and this is a set. So you'll get everything from a 5 amp all the way up to a 30 amp. And you need to find out on your RV where your fuse box is. I've had the problem before where for some reason something's not working. By having a complete fuse kit, it's going to allow you to make an adjustment quickly and get you back up and running. Tip number 2. Which moves me now to more the advanced, and I've done this before. I don't have any problem doing it. If you are going to do it, make sure you watch a video on it or have an actual electrician do it. You're looking for a place to power in your mobile device, your smartphone, your iPad, your computer, whatever it may be. Almost every RV by the master bed in the back of their RV has electrical outlets, and you can swap them out with one of these outlets right here that now allows you to simply plug in without having to find one of your little power boxes for your USB-C or your USB. Tip number 3. And to close it out with your wire multi-tool right here, this allows you to not only peel the plastic away from some of your electrical wires, but I use it for a variety of different things as well. Of course, on the end you can cut, you can actually adjust and strip off the plastic from gauges. It's just a great device to have in your kit as well. There you go, some quick electrical things in the bonus round. Again, anything that you're going to be doing related to serious electrical work, take your RV to your local dealer.